Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my blowout. Guys, I found this tool that I'm so happy I got. Actually, my mom found it because she told me to buy it for her, and then I tried it out and I really liked it. If you like that blowout look but you have a hard time like using a blow dryer and like a hairbrush, then this is the product for you. So this is the Revlon, I don't know what it's called exactly, but I'll link it down below. You guys can find this at like Target. But it's a really big brush and it's a blow dryer. So it's easy because you literally could just run the brush over your hair and it's gonna give you a nice blowout, a lot of volume. So I really love that look. But it was just always so hard for me to get it like off of blow dryer in a round hairbrush. Like it's so difficult for me, and like my arms get super tired. And with this is super light and it's super easy. So basically I pretty much let most of my hair air dry. It's pretty much just more like wet in the root. But yeah, you guys, let me show you guys how I do it. All I put into my hair, God, I swear to God, if I'm not dropping something in every single video. So I sprayed the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. This is nice because it has like a heat protector and it has like a bunch of different things. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. Basically, I'm just gonna separate the bottom half of my hair. You guys can see how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna turn on the blow dryer, so obviously it's gonna be a little bit loud. But basically I'm just gonna be rounding out. So I'm taking about like an inch section, and all I'm gonna be doing is going like this, out and in a couple times until I've reached that like super sleek look. You guys, I have like really like curly hair on the roots. Like it's really wavy. So this does like a really good job at like smoothing it out. And you guys, whenever I would blow dry my hair, I mean, I'm sure it's because I wouldn't do it really good, but like it would never be as straight as I wanted it to, or like as smooth and sleek, you know? So this is so easy. You could literally just spread it over, and this is super light, so you don't get like super tired. So it's really great. Okay, so here is the first bottom half done. It's super smooth and super sleek. Another good thing about this is that this blowout will last me like up to 3 to 4 days. So it's really nice. I don't really have to retouch it or anything. Like, it'll just stay nice and sleek. Now we're just left with the top portion. This is the portion where you really want to give it like all the volume. So usually I'll just start from the back and I'll just blow dry it forward and then flip it to the back. finished blow drying the whole head already. And you guys could see like how much volume my bangs and the root of my hair have. I really love the way this looks. And it's also nice because you're not putting as much heat on your hair as like a regular iron, you know? Okay, and then I do apply some of my Bio Silk little serum. This helps with the flyaways. And I only use like very little. I didn't realize I use literally like a little penny size. And I just run that all over my head. This is just gonna give it additional shine. Yeah, you guys can see how pretty and soft this hairstyle is, and it's super easy. So this I definitely recommend, and it's only like $60, you guys. So definitely get your hands on it. Nice and straight hair. So yeah, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned at least 1 or 2 new things. Make sure you follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, you guys. Mwah.